guys, welcome to Caldwell Fitness, and today we're going to be making some air fried chicken, some breaded air fried chicken. So right here I got some flour, didn't measure it, I'm saying maybe about a cup and a half of flour, but I just dumped it in the bowl to be honest with you. And I got 2 beaten eggs right here. I don't know if you can see that, but 2 beaten eggs. Alright, so now I'm going to season my flour with some onion powder. Beginners with the seasoning. Garlic powder. Paprika. Enough. Cayenne, a little bit. Just Creole seasoning right here, really popular. Just a little bit. And seasonal. It's like seasoned salt, but they just call it seasonal by McCormick. And I'm gonna season my chicken the same exact way. And I'm gonna show you the whole process of breading it. So then I grab a spoon right here. Grab a spoon. Grab a spoon. Grab a spoon. Yeah, this is live. Everything live. Mix it up. Alright, so I'm gonna get this mixed. And then I'm gonna show you guys the breading process. Alright guys, I'm back. And I got the chicken seasoned here. I got the chicken seasoned. I got my eggs ready. And you can do this 2 ways. You can either keep the flour in the bowl, dip it in the egg wash, roll it around, pat it, or you can transfer it to a bag or a 1 gallon Ziploc like this and shake it up. And I believe that's the best way to do it. And to the flour, you also want to add a little bit of black pepper. And then when it goes into the air fryer, you want to add a little bit of black pepper on top, just for, you know, cosmetic purposes. But so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you guys one of them. So I'm gonna fix the camera angle. Show you guys the process. So here I got my egg wash. I'm gonna do two at a time. So dip the chicken in my egg wash, right? Let the drip hit the bowl. Drop it in the bag. Zip it up. Shake it. That's it. That's all you got to do. Then transfer your chicken into the air fryer. But first you want to spray a little bit of this. I'm going to show you guys all that, but simple as that. Yeah, this is a bigger air fryer. I believe this is like a 5.7 or something like that, or 5.3. I'm not too sure. But I have the chicken in here, right? Now I could fit up to 12 in here, but I only got 6 in here today. So usually when I do 12, I cook it for about 30 to about maybe 40 minutes, just because I want to make sure the chicken is done. But with this one right here, have it on chicken. But I'm gonna increase the temperature to 400. The time, let's go up to 25 minutes. And if I need to add more time, I'll add another 5 minutes. But now I'm just gonna let it air fry check it halfway through, flip it, and do the same thing. Spray it, hit it with black pepper, and let it cook. Alright, it's about halfway through now. Show you how they looking. Look. Show you how it's looking. Might have to add some more time. I don't know. If I do, I'll let you guys know. But now I'm gonna flip them. Alright, the air fryer stopped. Let's give the chicken a look. I got this and fogged up on me. Yeah, look at that, man. Crispy fried chicken. Crispy air fried chicken. Alright, I'm gonna let this cool down for about 5, maybe 10 minutes. I'm gonna take 2 pieces out and I'm gonna give you guys a taste test. Alright. Taste test time. Let's see what this air fried chicken tastes like. Give you guys a look at it right here. Right there. Yeah, look at that. Alright, let's see. Taste test. Cooked all the way through. Man. Man. Now if you want fried chicken without the guilt, air fry it. Here go a recipe right here for you. Simple. You know? So, matter of fact, let me get try a little bit of hot sauce for y'all. Put the hot sauce up on there. The hot sauce. See that? That's it. Alright, so also, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and you guys have a good one. God bless.